Happens in Vegas apparently stays in Vegas. What happens at Footscray goes out to the world.
Yes. And the possible poisoning of a bulldog. Lucky you spat that mint out, Tony.
Thanks for that.
Have a great weekend. Sherri is here now with more on the storms. When are they going to clear, Sherri?
Well, hopefully tonight, Alicia, but they are developing. There is also the risk of more tomorrow to see out summer. I'll have the details coming up next. Hello again. Well, our pleasant Friday turned stormy this afternoon. While the sun was out, the day warmed, peaking at 31 degrees just after 2 p.m. It was a little hotter than expected and also on the muggy side. Now, once those storms hit, we saw heavy downpours in the Gippsland region, over 30 millimetres. Temperatures were much cooler out there as well in Bairnsdale. But just to recap on those severe thunderstorm warnings, now, for heavy rainfall and possible flash flooding, we do have one here in the northeast of the state and another which is stretching from the Mallee region to the southwest and all the way across the north of the Central District. There is an initial flood watch as well for catchments in the northwest and southwest of the state. Now, those storms will ease off tonight, but will start up again in the state's southwest tomorrow, edging eastward, possibly bringing some late showers to Melbourne. Nothing too heavy though, unless we get an isolated storm. Now, as we head into March, rain will kick in late Sunday with some heavy downpours due again through Monday. Up to 50 millimetres is expected in Melbourne across the 2 days. Now, looking ahead around the country, just the chance of a shower in Brisbane with a top of 29 degrees. A morning shower expected for Sydney. They'll only get the chance, though, to properly dry out mid next week. Looking to Victoria again, and the southwest of the state will cop the heaviest downpours tomorrow. Warrnambool expecting up to 35 millimetres and a top of 26 degrees there. Could be a little stormy in Geelong as well, adding up to 8 millimetres to the gauge with the chance of isolated heavy falls and a top of 26. And for the final day of summer in Melbourne, another muggy one heading for 28. There is the risk of storms morning and afternoon. It is clearing up for the start of Sunday, a top of 27 after a warm start, but the rain will kick in during the evening. The heaviest falls on Monday, possibly adding 35 millimetres to the gauge. A few showers lingering Tuesday and Wednesday and clearing up from there. Now, the risk of storms will start from 5 a.m, running until about 1 o'clock this afternoon. But that is all in weather, guys.
All right, thank you, Sherri. That's 9 News for this Friday. Ali's next with the current affair, and we hope you have a great weekend. Good night.